Huge sheriffs is always full. Fab, you have sent screen Bernadelle over you kid.
Now we gotta go.
This girl stole my kill. Due to Alexa, this girl is the one who stole kills. On Friday the 2nd. Yes, I got the Karen girl. Asked issue head. ABOUJIAA. On the booster named Nevada. Yes, got a 3-kill streak, slay totally 100 kills.
Oh, hell no, man.
Boy, were you exploiting value go well. Nevada got so angry I killed her she wanted to go join my team. And there she goes boost. Yes, slay. Bye, sunshines. I'm gonna end David here.